With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so today's question is, if omega is a complex cube root of unity, then the equation z minus omega the whole square plus z minus omega the whole square, that is z minus omega square the whole square in mod is equals to lambda. So we'll represent a circle if. So we need to find just the value for lambda. That is why this we have given question. So we have given z minus omega the whole square plus z minus omega square the square is equals to lambda. As you know, the complex property that mod z square is nothing but z into z conjugate. Okay, so similarly by using this square property, we are just manipulating in this with this, that is z minus omega into z minus omega conjugate. So we can give conjugate to this by using the property number 1, and this is what is 1 is equals to, sorry, not equals to, this is plus. Similarly here you have z minus omega square into z minus omega square, the conjugate is equals to lambda in mod. Okay, now here we have mod z minus omega, we are going to mod conjugate separately, so you can write this as z conjugate minus omega conjugate plus z minus omega square, and here you have z conjugate minus omega square conjugate is equals to what? Lambda. And here we have in mod. Now we are just going to multiply it with the brackets inside the bracket, that is this into this and this into this. You can say that z into z conjugate minus omega z conjugate minus z omega conjugate plus omega omega conjugate plus z z conjugate minus omega square z conjugate minus z omega square plus omega square conjugate is equals to lambda. Now here we have z into z conjugate, here also we have z into z conjugate, so this can be written as 2 times of mod z square. As you know that z into z conjugate is mod z square and we have 2 times, so that is why this is written minus taking z conjugate omega plus omega square in common minus of z omega plus omega square conjugate plus omega square in mod, that is omega into omega conjugate is omega square. Similarly here we have omega square the square is equals to lambda. Now you know that omega in mod is equals to 1 and 1 plus omega square is what? 0. So you can say that omega plus omega square is what? Minus of 1. So putting the value in this, what you'll have, this as 2 mod z square as it is minus mod z conjugate. Omega plus omega square can be written as minus of 1 minus of z. Omega plus omega square again can be written as minus of 1. So here this we have minus of 1 plus omega square, that we can write it as 1 only. Okay, so this will be your 1. Now we have this as 2 mod z square plus z because we have this as plus sign, minus is plus, z conjugate, similarly plus z conjugate plus 1, that is what equals to lambda. This is what is plus 1 because here it is also we have mod of omega square. Now we have this as 2 mod z square plus 2 this real part of z, and here we have 2 minus of lambda is equals to 0. Now what we have, a complex number z is equals to x plus iota y, let. So if this is a complex number, then you can say that z conjugate will be x minus of iota y. So if you add z plus z conjugate, then it will be this cancel and you left only with 2x, that is nothing but real part of z. That is why we have written here real part of z. Now as this represents the equation of the circle, so we are just substituting here x square plus y square plus x plus 2 minus lambda by 2 is equals to 0. Where center, you can say the center is where? Center is at minus 1 by 2 comma 0. So here you have center at minus 1 by 2 comma 0. So where it is radius will be minus 1 by 4, that is comma minus of 2 minus lambda by 2. This is what is lambda by 2. So this will be 1 by 4 minus 2 minus lambda by 2 in the root. So this can be written as root of lambda by 2 minus of 3 by 4. As you know that it should be always be greater than equals to 0 because it is the radius of the circle. So it's always be greater than equals to 0. So from here you have r is greater than equals to 0. That means lambda by 2 minus 3 by 4 is greater than equals to 0. Now squaring both the side, you have lambda by 2 greater than equals to 3 by 4 in the positive. So this will be lambda is greater than equals to 3 by 4 into 2, which is nothing but greater than equals to 3 by 2. So this is what is the value of lambda. So you can say that lambda lies between 3 by 2 to, it is greater than 3 by 2 or equals to 3 by 2. That is why 3 by 2 is included. And greater than, that means up to infinity. So this is the value for lambda, which represents a circle. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.